Guys, imagine your boss asks you to create a PPT using confidential company data and you want to impress your boss, so you upload the full file into your favorite AI tool and ask it to create the presentation for you. Within minutes, the PPT is ready. Your boss is super impressed with your speed. But a few days later, your company finds out that the confidential data was uploaded to an unapproved external AI tool. And now the real problem starts. Imagine that data gets exposed, accessed by someone who should not have seen it, or is later misused. Now the company could face a data breach, customer complaints, legal issues, even serious damage to its reputation. All because you were trying to finish one PPT faster. So now this type of risk could also be called as shadow AI. Yes, shadow AI. Shadow AI simply means using AI tools at work without proper approval, without proper visibility or control from your organization. And this is not just a theoretical thing, it is already happening. At Samsung, employees reportedly entered confidential semiconductor source code and other internal information into ChatGPT while trying to make their work easier. Samsung later restricted the use of external GenAI tools. In Australia, an employee at NSW Reconstruction Authority uploaded an Excel file to ChatGPT containing information related to more than 2,000 people, including personal and sensitive health information. It was not a cyber attack. An employee simply uploaded the data to an unauthorized AI platform. And in the United States, an employee at the community bank used an unapproved AI tool through a personal account and personal device, and the information involved customer names, date of birth, and even social security numbers. In fact, a recent survey found that 66% of office workers had used AI at work even when they thought it was not allowed. Around 31% had also entered financial data, confidential company documents, or business information into public AI tools. IBM also found that 1 in 5 companies that suffered a data breach had a breach involving shadow AI. So how do we avoid shadow AI? If you are an employee, first, use only those AI tools which are approved by your company. Second, never blindly upload customer data, confidential documents, source code, or personal information to these third-party AI tools. And third, if you are not sure whether something can be uploaded, simply ask your manager, IT, HR, or security team first. And if you are an employer, first create a clear and simple AI policy so employees know what is allowed and what is not. Second, provide employees with approved AI tools instead of simply banning everything. Then train employees regularly on what data they should never put into these public AI tools. Because sometimes the biggest AI risk is not external hacker, it is simply an employee accidentally using AI tools for increasing their productivity. So stay alert and keep following SoRAI for regular updates.